How to fix WeChat app not working. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some ways you can fix your WeChat app not working problem. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that you are using the latest version of WeChat app. Head over to your Play Store and search for WeChat. If you see update sign here, you have to tap on update and update your application. As you do so, open up your settings app and scroll below to apps. Here from list of all these applications, tap on the right top bar and search for WeChat. At this page, scroll below to its storage and clear the cache. Then clear the data. Also be noted that if you clear the app's data, it will delete all your databases, your settings, and account history. If you'd still like to continue, then tap on delete. Now go back and tap on defaults. Make sure that you have toggled on Open Supported Links tab. Once you do so, restart your device and this shall fix your problem. That will be the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated and thank you for watching.